Morning, boomers. The voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest morning update. Bitcoin kept pumping past 10K overnight, exceeding expectations and completely obliterating the resistance that was $9,500. Never sleep on Bitcoin, guys. That's why I've always said keep a Bitcoin under the pillow, at least one Bitcoin under the pillow, just in case there's a stormy one. So this thing exceeding expectations here on Friday. As we go into the weekend, the halving is going to occur on Monday. Okay, so we're looking at the markets here. We're on green on the stocks. A bit of a pullback there from Bitcoin. I think it touched like 10,023. Now it's at 9,800. That was expected. I'm sure a lot of people had sell orders there at 10K. I know I sold a little chip off the block there at almost 99. I think it was like 98, almost 99, 98, I don't know, 98.75, 98.88 or something like that. I ended up selling a little chip off the old Bitcoin block there. But I'm hodling most of the bits. After this happening, I'm looking to accumulate more should there be a dip with some of the proceeds I earned from these recent sales. Now going into the weekend, this is going to be a very interesting one, guys. Normally we see action. Well, not normally. Normally we don't see action on the weekend, but most recently in the past year or so, I've been seeing a lot more action on the weekend. So let's see how that plays out this weekend. Now, if I had to call it, I would say that we kind of topped off. I mean, I've said that a couple times though. I thought maybe, at first I said 82 and we were around 82. I said, yeah, 9,000 is possible. And then of course, yesterday when I saw the markets, I was like, yeah, obviously 10K is possible. Now, how much more gas do we have in the tank to keep going up? I don't know. I really don't know. I think that we're kind of topping off. Remember, Monday is the halving, so we just got a few more days. Let's see what could happen over the weekend. Now, all that being said, that everything's in the green. We've had the best April in stocks I've ever seen since I don't know what year. I think that the market is due for a little pullback. I told you guys yesterday, dry powder, make sure you keep it. I expect a sell-off going into next week for Bitcoin. And there's a possibility that, the markets could retract. We got to give back a little after having a rally like no other. I mean, Bitcoin everything rallied April and up to now. So time's coming up for a little pullback. Okay, time is coming up for a pullback, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. I'll tell you that much, obviously, because of this event. So I would expect a little pullback. Now with the stock markets, I would also expect a pullback after so much bullishness. So let's see how that goes. As soon as the stocks contract, I would expect the price of Bitcoin to be also impacted by that. Although it appears to have decoupled momentarily, but that's probably just because of the halving. So keep your eyes open, expect a pullback. I don't know if that's going to happen this weekend for Bitcoin, but it could have already started happening. Keep your eyes open. If you were thinking of selling, I think this is the time, right? I don't consider this a buy time at all. I'm waiting for the event to pass to look for the buys. So I'm waiting for this halving to pass to look for the buys. And the stocks, I'm not buying anything today. I'll be honest with you. Unless I see a smoker of a deal, I'm not buying anything. I'm always down to get some more Microsoft, but not even that. Let's wait to see if there's a pullback, being that we've been all up, all the way up. Hashtag French Montana. So that's what's going on out there, guys. Look for the pullback. Look for the pullback and keep some dry powder. And if you're looking to take profits, I think this is the time to take profits on both cryptos, Bitcoin and stocks. If you're up in the green, I made some plays that I'm up like 30% on. I'm considering maybe even taking some of those profits. So I'll keep you guys updated during today's broadcast. The live stream, I'll be firing it up in just a moment. But definitely an excellent end to the week with such greenery. Let's hope that we close in the green leading into the weekend. But after so much greenery, I wouldn't even be mad if there was a little pullback. I think that would be expected. I think a pullback would actually be bullish, actually, after so much run up. So let's see what happens. So I'm great. I'm glad. I'm happy. Boom, boom, boom. Kaboom, kaboom. Good energy, good movements. I'll see you guys in just a moment. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne. Thanks for tuning in.